Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Dinesh Kumar Saini. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. I have completed my graduation from Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Shekhawati University, Sikar in 2022. I always interested in IT. That's why I have joined in Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I come to know about Evision from online platform. In Evision Technoserve, I had joined full days of internship under guidance of IT managers and administrator. In Evision Technoserve, I learned about Linux administration, networking, window administration, CCNA, virtualization, cybersecurity, and many more things. And after that, I got selected in Accel IT services with a good package of 2.4 LPA. And thank you for Evision team and for your support and guidance for my career. Thank you for whole Evision team. Thank you again.